What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV. And the VCI sponsorship box for Sloss Drone Derby just arrived. Cannot wait to show you what we got. Thank you so much, VCI. Amazing support. Let me flip the camera around and let's take a closer look at what we got here. All right, Sloss Drone Derby, April 4th and 5th in Birmingham, Alabama. Get your tickets at slossdronederby.org if you haven't already. Lots and lots and lots of fun prizes to win. Thank you so much, VCI, sponsoring all the events. I love it. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. Check out Mike Duran at Sloss Drone Derby. He's going to be out. You can talk to him about the motors there. First of all, we're going to start with the big boys. On the left side, we've got two sets of Pro Spec motors. These are the Aries 2808 1350. These are going to be used for Street League and for Pro Spec, and we've got them right here. They're giving away two sets for two winners of the Pro Spec race. And then for the open class, we've got the Savages. These motors are amazing. Check out the bling. These have really been engineered to the next level though. One of the things that's controversial about these motors is the new wire. We're used to these like silicone jacketed wires. They're super easy to strip and peel, and in an effort to further reduce weight and increase durability, they put these, I forget what this jacket is called. It's significantly thinner, but harder and more durable. I found that it's harder to strip, but it solders just as easily. And so I think that's a good thing. I want more durability. I want lighter weight. And they pushed in both directions at the same time. The old win-win. They're giving us two sets of the Savages. They're going to give us a set of 2160 kV and 2120 kV, smoking hot for the racers. And then we got the Bigger-Nastier Freestyle Contest. It's going to be on Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock, live streamed by Shelby Vall's crew. And we've got two sets of motors to give away there too. 24K, these are the 2306 1950s. And then we got the Spark 2207 1950 KVs. Great motors, absolutely love them. Don't worry if you don't win these motors, y'all. I'll be on site with my shop and I'll be selling these motors on site. So if you need to get a set, I got you. And I've even got a few more options, but check these out. Look at these for the little guys, for the whoops. We're gonna have set of 0802 Pros. These are 25K, 26K. This is actually two sets of motors here. I think these are gonna be given away at the Freestyle Whoop House. And then over here, we've got 0702 Pro Lite and 0702 Pro DB. These guys, let me get even closer. They're tiny little guy. Look, I'm gonna put a finger in there, and this is my smallest finger, and it is so much bigger than this motor. It's crazy. The lights are a single bearing, as light as they can possibly be, and the DB are a dual bearing. That's going to give you a little bit more durability, and that's what I'm rocking in the shop. Mine are actually dual bearing 30,000 kV, and we got 27,000 kV and 23,000 kV we're giving away. So all the options. Looks like there's tons of hats and ooh, Kevlar lipo straps. Lots of Kevlar lipo straps. Thank you so much, VCI. Really couldn't do these kinds of events without you. Thank you so much. Check out Vulcan Innovations. They are dope and have been helping out the community for a long time. You want to see them? Come to Sloss Drone Derby. We'll be here April 4th and 5th. Setup is on the 3rd, and you don't even have to check out of the campground until April 6th on Monday. Extended camping. I can't wait. I'll see you all there at slossdronederby.org.